Hi everyone, Sheree here. Today I've got the new Felicity Jane Mollie Kit on my desk, so I thought I would open it up and we'll take a closer look. So here's Mollie, looking very cute. Let's open up this beautiful ribbon and have a look at what we've got in here. Alright, oh okay, I'm very excited about this. I'm going to show that to you a little bit later. But this is the gorgeous Mollie Kit. As you can see, lots of fun things included here. So I'm going to get everything out of the box and we'll take a closer look. Alright, so I've got everything out of the box now, and I really love the cozy, beautiful fall colours in this kit. So we've got rust, we've got mustard, this beautiful blue, a few shades of light pink. Just so pretty. Alright, so a few things that we can take a closer look at without having to take them out of the packs. We've got the Mollie chipboard alphabet in this really awesome grid design. I love that. So it's a black background with the white grid. We have uppercase, we have numbers on the back as well, multiples of each, and we have a hashtag, some other punctuation marks too, some brackets here. So that's a really awesome chipboard alphabet. We also have the Mollie chipboard stickers, these really fun hexagons in all of those beautiful colours, and you get 96 little stickers in that pack, so you've got lots and lots of little stickers there to use. We also have the Mollie stamp set, loving this one. We have phrases such as fall favourites, give me all the sweaters, seasons change, family, friends, memories, photo, grateful. This beautiful scripty fall word, we've got an ampersand there, thankful, home, my greatest blessings, together, we've got hashtag blessed, November, this little leaf here and another one over this side, and if your name happens to be Mollie, there's a little Mollie stamp down in that corner. So that is the Mollie stamp set. As always, it comes in its own handy little pouch to keep all of your stamps nice and secure. Alright, I'm going to take these other things out of their packs and we'll take a closer look at those as well. Alright, so I've zoomed in for this one. These are the Mollie corduroy hearts. There are 6 pieces included in this pack, and these are gorgeous. They have a really lovely corduroy finish, lovely and soft, with a stitch detail around the border of each. So you get 6 included, 2 of each colour, and there are 2 different sizes. So we've got the mustard yellow there. We've also got that dusty pink, really lovely, and this gorgeous blue. So they're going to really add texture to any project that you use these on. I just love them. So they are the Mollie corduroy hearts. Alright, next up we're taking a look at the Mollie chipboard frames. So there are 6 frames included in this little pack. I'll just measure these up for you. So these frames are about 3 1/4 inches high and about 2 3/4 inches wide, and the opening inside is about 2 1/4 inches by just over 2 inches. So we get 6 of those, each with a different pattern. So this one has like a rust and white stripe. Then we have this really pretty floral frame, another one with little black leaves all over. We've got this blue background with the white polka dots, a black gingham, and then we've got this one here that's got a pink background with a rust coloured grid. So they are absolutely gorgeous. You can add journaling behind them, use them for your photos. You could even turn these into a little mini album. Wouldn't that be fun? So they are the Mollie chipboard frames. We also have a set of tags. So this is the Mollie tag set. There are 6 pieces included, and I love that they have the little gold eyelet already in the tag hole for you. So they are just absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so let's measure these. So these are 4 inches by 2 1/2 inches, so such a really great size. I love this one here with this beautiful autumn wreath. We've also got this white one here with black polka dots, one with mustard and white stripes. Again, we have this same leaf pattern that we just saw in the chipboard frames, a beautiful floral tag, and a black and white gingham tag. So absolutely gorgeous. I love these tags. Again, you could make these into their own little mini album, but they're going to be perfect to use on any project. So they are the Mollie tag set. Alright, so here we have the Mollie die cut shapes. There are 28 pieces included in this pack, and as you can see, they are gorgeously fall or autumn themed. Let's start off with these two little tags here. I love that these look like mini clipboards with that piece at the top there. So we have that mustard gingham. We've got this one here that's got the rust and pink diagonal stripe with the mustard at the top. We've got Mollie here as well, a little stack of pumpkins and a singular pumpkin over on the side here. We've got some little branches and leaves too, and these beautiful floral pieces. I love that we have this scripty grateful word here. We've got this little banner piece with the black background and white polka dot. Two little tickets here. One says chapter 10, the other pink one says chapter 11. We've got a blue label here, one here with a rust border with the grid on the inside, and then we have this cute little tab at the bottom here with a scalloped edge. We've also got a couple of photo corners in the rust with the white polka dot, 3 tiny little black hearts and 2 larger hearts here with a patterned inside. So this one here has like a pinkish background with the white polka dot, and then we have this black gingham one. We also have the words family, home and friends. So they are the Mollie die cut shapes. Let's take a look at the journaling cards. So there are 12 cards included in the pack as always. On the reverse, we always have either a grid or a dot grid pattern, nice and neutral for whatever you want to use those for. But let's take a look at the fronts, because this is where all the fun bits are. All right, so this one here, we have a rust grid section in the center here, and then at the bottom it has sweater weather. So this is going to be perfect for adding a photo to or some journaling. Love this one with the black scallops. We have this one here with the white section and the diagonal stripes at one end. You could turn that around if you wanted to. Perfect for adding a photo to or journaling. This one here, we have the minty blue background with the fall word in the center. We have a gorgeous floral card. This one here with the rust label at the top there. I love this one of my favorites, with all these leaves and the little acorns on it, and it does have a little white section there for you to add something to. We have this one with the acorn in the center on that minty background, a diagonal gingham pattern in the mustard. I love this mint gingham, so cute, with a white section at the top there or at the bottom if you want to turn it around. We've got these bold stripes in all the kit colors. And this last one here with the stripes, perfect for journaling, and it already has the date and details written on there for you. So they are the Mollie journaling cards. Here we have the Mollie paper pack. So as always, it comes with this little packaging strip here, which is always really handy to cut up and use on your projects. Perfect for die cutting, or you can use it as a strip itself. I always try to use that whenever I can. Okay, let's take a look at these pretty patterns. This first one here is called Floral. It's absolutely gorgeous. These flowers are going to be perfect for fussy cutting. On the reverse, we have these diagonal stripes, and then we have the leaf and acorn design down that branding strip. This next one here is gingham in that mustard colour. On the reverse, we have the tiny Swiss dot in the black and white, and then we have this little floral pattern down the branding strip with the rust background. This one here is called Cross in that minty colour. On the reverse, we have those cute little stems, and then we have some multicoloured hearts along that branding strip. This one here is super cute with that pinkish colour in the background with the white spots. On the reverse of this one, we have these pinstripes, nice and neutral, and then we have this grid pattern in that pinkish colour down that branding strip. We also have these diagonal stripes in the mustard. We have this really gorgeous wood grain on the back, that's really fun, and then we have this large black scallop down that branding strip. We have some mint coloured sketchy stripes on this one. On the reverse, we have that super cute pattern with all the leaves and acorns, and then we have that diagonal gingham pattern down the branding strip in mustard. As always, we have our 2 solid colour papers, and they always have that scalloped edge at the very bottom there that you can cut off and use on its own, or you can cut the section off the top and use it as a 12 by 12 piece with that scallop at the bottom. I absolutely love these. So we've got rust on this side and pink on the reverse, and our other piece here has the mustard on one side and that absolutely gorgeous mint colour on the other. So they are the Mollie papers in our paper pack. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so this next item I want to share with you today, I am super excited about. This is our brand new size of album, and it's Traveller's Notebook sized. It comes in this dust cover, which you can keep and use for whatever you like. That's going to be really handy. So I'll just fold that and get it out of the way. Okay, so it will come with a plastic bag on it as well. I've already taken it off to save you listening to the noise, but it does also have a piece of tissue paper around it, just keeping it nice and protected, and you can keep that and also use that on your projects. Okay, so this is it. Super happy about this one. It is a creamy white background with the black polka dot, which I absolutely love. It's got this gorgeous gold hardware on the corners and inside as well. So we have the 6 rings. They're the same size as your 6x8 album as well. So any of the 3x8 page protectors will fit. These are 3x8 in size. They come with your album, and you get 8 of them, I believe, in the pack. You can also fit a Traveller's Notebook size in there. So the 3x8, I'll take them out and just show you the size in the album. Let's just pop that in. Okay, so that's what the 3x8 page protectors look like in the album. So you could just stick with that size and just use that size. However, you could also use the Traveller's Notebook size pages in there too. So the Traveller's Notebook size is 4 1/4 by 8 1/4 in size. So what you could do, if you find that your Traveller's Notebooks get really chunky and you don't like the look of them being so chunky, you could cut them down the spine and then you could add them into your album. Or you could even add the entire finished Traveller's Notebook straight into your album by using one of our acetate pop-ins. So I don't know if you've seen these before. I love these. I really love using them for my December documenting, but for this album you could also use it to add in ephemera, anything that you don't want to punch holes in. You could use one of these to help add something into your album. So all you have to do is peel this piece off the top here, and it's got adhesive underneath. It's already got the holes punched for you down the side. So if you wanted to add a whole Traveller's Notebook into this album but you didn't want to punch holes in it, you could simply adhere that onto the back of your notebook, and then that would go straight into your album. So you'd simply slip the holes onto the rings there, and then you've got that in your album. That's how it would sit inside your album. I think I'll be creating my pages outside the page protectors and just slipping them straight into this album, and I'm planning on using this album right throughout next year, so I cannot wait to start sharing those projects with you. So that is the brand new, I think it's in the Bella section of the store, the brand new Bella Traveller's Notebook album. Okay, so that's everything from the new November Mollie Kit from Felicity Jane. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what's included, and I will leave a link down below for you to Felicity Jane's store if you'd like to grab any of these things for yourself. And don't forget about that new Traveller's Notebook sized album. There is also the 6x8 album available in the same print, and you'll find those in the Bella section of the store. There are also extra page protectors available in the Essentials section, and that's also where you'll find those acetate pop-ins. So you'll find them, there's 5 pieces in each pack. They're in the Essentials section, and also I believe in the Holidays section of the store. So they're the acetate pop-ins. So I think that's it from me for today. I look forward to bringing you some Mollie projects very soon. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you then. Have a great day.